talk.
So
we're dying. I'm dying.
Yeah, you probably can't see us very well, maybe, you know, when we're under the street lights, but I thought it would be funny to turn on the recording and just talk about how
fast I got out of the house.
Yeah, she was, well, we both got dressed about the same time, but because Mom put a couple extra layers on that I did not, she got overheated very quickly.
I felt like I was in a sauna instantly.
Yeah. So she like zoomed out of the house, but then it was funny, we got to the car and she couldn't quite bend to get in because she put so many layers on.
The pants, the snow pants that I have on, I think they're men's. I think they're men's.
So they're not made for like.
They're snow machine pants.
Okay. So. Yeah, so we're headed to the ice park. We'll be there pretty quickly here, so we'll show you guys that in just a bit.
Here's the stage. Ugh. Stand over there. So did we tell you where we were going? When Mary said that I ran out the door, I was all bundled up?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I did.
Yeah. We're at the ice, Alaska, the ice championships. We're gonna see what they got this year.
Yep.
It's the slide. Oh, let's go take some videos of the kids sliding. Here's the game area. This is where they got all the fun games at.
It looks like they put a little theater out here so they can project movies on this big wall of like white snow, and then they have a bunch of seats made out of ice. That's so cool.
Mary said, this is a really good spot to view the stars. She's just chilling with the sea turtle. Hi. Who lives in pineapple under the sea? Let's see if Mary can get on the shark.
I don't want to break your phone.
Well, it's got steps on it. Looks like it has a seat. Yeah, squeeze in there. And she can't get back out, probably. There we go. Your face is all blue.
Davy Jones is here. Oh, shoot.
They go fast.
Yeah. It looks like they marked off that bridge this year. Last year everyone was going over top of it, but maybe it's just too bouncy for it to be safe. Yeah. Who knows where this is from? It says on the sign, "Don't feed the plant." Little Shop of Horrors. Some pretty cool ones here, guys. Look, Thor's hammer. Bum, bum, bum.
Oh my gosh, there are so many sculptures out here this year. We haven't even gone inside yet. This is the collegiate competition. There's just a ton of them. This side and that side.
Who recognizes Olaf? Hi, Olaf. And he's ice, not snow. Well, we're following this guy. He seems to know where he's going. This year we came early, guys, so you will be able to see what these snow blocks turn into later on.
Got season passes. See how thick the snow is?
Yeah.
Supposed to get another foot of snow.
Oh my goodness. Really slowly.
I think they need to be done by Friday.
Oh wow, they're working hard, huh?
Yeah, and then they gotta work in a blizzard.
Oh gosh. And they've done it before. A lot of these people. His arms are on the table.
Yeah, we just found out that judging is tomorrow. So they're in a hurry.
Yeah, he's gonna be working on these pieces. getting frosty again. You can see
You
it.
can't tell if my sauce or not.
There we go.
Nice lighting.
Yeah. I look okay. Show us.
Like throw in the water.
Oh, perfect!
There's the blocks over there. Done?
That's cool. You can kind of see it coming to life behind the picture. Oh, look at that! Look at all the lights. Just to see what's in there.
Mary can't see. She's drunk.
We got t-shirts and buttons and stickers and pins.
Some really cool stuff. And magnets.
How are y'all doing?
Good assignment.
I think Mary's gonna go on the slide. Oh, there she is. She's gonna slide down the hill. That was an abrupt stop.
One more.
There's chess pieces, checkers pieces everywhere.
Cornhole.
Cornhole.
Get out of there.
I guess.
Pretty far.
Oh, you were close. Baby's hanging out by the boots. Her eyes follow you. Yeah, licker. Such a licker.
It's Wednesday. It's 5 degrees outside. Oh my gosh. I tell you what. We have a storm coming. And I can feel it in my joints. It does not feel good. But there's sunlight on the trees over there. You can see them. Mary, this morning when we went to her work, she's like, oh my gosh, it's so much lighter than it was yesterday. Same time. It was a lot lighter, and the sun was out probably about the same amount. You know, it wasn't behind the clouds. So yeah, we're gaining it fast. We were just talking about how weird it's going to be when we, leave for 2 weeks during the spring equinox, because the time change is supposed to be the Sunday before we leave. So we're not going to have that. Well, I'm going to be working, but I think Heather and Mary actually have those days off, right after the time change. So they aren't going to notice it as much as I will. But yeah. Oh my gosh. It's getting close. Getting all nervous. All right. I got to go to work. So we've never seen it this busy on a Wednesday night, the open skate, and we found out it's skate with the ice dogs tonight. So all the ice dogs are out there, kids are getting signatures, kind of cool. They're our local skating heroes. Almost 8:15 in the morning, and it's over 20 degrees. Look at the humidity inside. Normally our humidity in here is like 18-20%. So we've probably got some pretty humid stuff going on out there. Our snowstorm was supposed to start at 6 o'clock last night, and I don't think it started till 6 o'clock this morning. And they downgraded it. It was supposed to be 10 inches. And now it's 5 to 8, which is normal snow for us. 5 to 8 inches. That's a normal day. 45 minutes later, and it's lighter outside. You can see how how it's coming down. But yeah, I call them spring showers. We just get it in the form of snow instead of rain. And that's actually right. I should have dusted off the little grill there. Then I could have seen how much snow we actually got. Oh well. Wow. My hairdresser actually cut my bangs a little short. You can see my eyebrows. He's been cutting them. I mean, they're driving me crazy from one appointment to the next because he's been cutting them pretty long. You can't see my eyebrows. But you can see my eyebrows now. They might be a little dark. All right. The only thing I'm not looking forward to is I gotta brush my car off when I come home for lunch. So, and then brush it off again when I leave work, and then brush it off again when we go for our walk. So, it's all that brushing, because this is heavy wet snow. It's Kipsy something. It's heavy wet snow. It's not the fluffy snow where you can just drive off and it blows off your car. Because we do that here. You slam the door and it all falls off the car. Too funny. Yeah. This is snowman snow. The kids love it this time of year because you can actually pack the snow. Almost all winter long, you can't do that. I don't know, because it's 20 degrees outside, and depending on the moisture content, you might not be able to pack it yet. But, usually by, it's almost March. Oh my gosh. So you might not actually see this until March. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see where I put it. Anyways, I gotta go to work. Bye. So I just dropped Heather off at work, and I figured I would turn the camera on. I don't know if you can see anything because it's all white, but yeah. This is the time. I had some amber glasses, but one of the lenses fell out of it, and those amber glasses actually work really well. You can see a lot more definition on the sides of the roads, because like right here, I cannot see really where the sides of the roads are. Everything's just totally white. I gotta be really careful. And but actually, I have a lot more confidence driving in the snow than I do driving on that ice. Because the snow, you're going to grip to the snow. If the snow's not there on these icy roads, you just don't stop. You don't stop at all. Going around these curves, you're sliding around the curves, and the ice is sticking to the windows, so that's never a good sign either. I'm just hoping, because it's supposed to get up to 28 degrees and they're threatening freezing rain, and that's not a good thing either. So they say that the freezing rain is supposed to stay south of us, mostly in the Nana area. But like I said, they downgraded everything from 10 inches a foot to 5 to 8 inches now. And that's pretty normal this time of year. They really trust their brakes or their tires. There's a big controversy here between the Blizzaks and the studded tires. I mean, I've had both, and I do think the studded tires actually work better in some cases, like all this ice. it gets so cold here, the Blizzaks are a softer tire, so they're supposed to grip to the ice, but because of our really, really cold temperatures, they don't, they're not soft anymore, so they don't grip the ice as well. Yeah, I know there was snow on there already, but that's pretty darn deep from this morning. Oh my gosh. You can see my footprints out there. Yipes. He's the land shark. Bean wants me to throw the ball. Are you actually gonna give it to me? Oh! Mary's got this shoveled. I shoveled out the gate so I can get the car in the garage. It's heavy. There's some wind over there. Stops and the trees are swinging. See what I mean? It's like an avalanche. Bean! What's the matter with you? What the heck? I don't want to throw the ball. I don't. I was just talking to Mary. It looks like some trees are missing here. I'll have to go back and look at some other videos. That one's laying on top of another one. There's one laying on the ground there.